Welcome back, guys. So, welcome back to CQFX. And today's lesson, I would like to review the past NFP, which was on date 2 of August 2024. And I want us to share some little talks over here. So, actually, we've been bullish. We've been bullish on SAU USD. Been bullish on SAU USD beginning of the week. So it was right here. It was right here. So it was on the 29, the 30, 31, the 1, the 2. So it was right here. It was right here between the 26th and the 29th. So there was a weekend over here. Now, what happened was this, that there was a support. The market dropped to the support. Then price was supported here. Now, the price that the market was looking forward to was at that low, and that low was 2369.75. So that was the low that the markets were looking forward to go to. Then the price will be supported higher and higher towards the whole week. Now, when we look down, there is a reason why the market dropped to that specific price point. And that was the reason that brought all this movement over here. So if you're a day trader, so I expected that these days over last week you could have been looking for buys. When you wake up in the morning, that is in Kenyan time, and the London is open, I mean the London market is open, you could be looking to go long. That is compared to, that is also in correspondent to what will happen in New York. So when New York is open, that is 15 sharp East African time, 15 sharp, you could also be looking forward for buys and not sales. So that is the week structure. It was bullish, it was literally bullish. Now NFP came in, so here was 15, it was 15:30, and I was actually watching the market. So the market rallied up, then the market reversed. So it reversed only for SAU USD, but the dollar maintained to go lower. So for euro, that is euro USD to be precise, the euro USD price chart, it maintained an up rally towards the close of the day. But there was a drop because there is the factor about the upper week. So the upper week was formed and the market closed reasonably, but as compared to the dollar, as compared to the SAU USD, it reflected another thing. The market went up, then there was this huge movement that came in around 17 there, 17 sharp. The market dropped and rallied, and it took the low of the day, which was here at this price point, which was 2334.93. It took out this low, and after taking this low, it went ahead and take several lows, that is the previous day's lows as per the Friday's low. Now it made another low. You see, it made another low that is at 18 sharp, and the market steadily changed. It shifted from a sell program to a buy program. Now, as far as this market is concerned, so I wanted us to review the NFP news. So NFP news, as you know, prior to the start of this week, we were looking forward the market towards the dollar. The dollar was to be in a, let's say, in a risk-off situation whereby the dollar could have been in a bearish situation. That is as far as the dollar was concerned. The whole week we were looking forward for bearish signs to the dollar, which happened to be that way. Now, towards the end of the week, that is on Friday at 15, the market got a lot of volatility and the market dropped much lower. It dropped much lower because of the NFP news. And as you know, that NFP news is just an excuse towards the market makers, models, and structures to take price to a certain point. They use NFP, despite of the fact that the news is negative or positive, regardless of the news, they always take that news as a reason for them to go to the specific level that they are watching, to the specific level that they are looking forward to. So it is not that the speculations were looking forward for buys. It is not that the US markets job news dropped. No, 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 no. It was a matter of fact that they were looking forward for prices to go higher in the correspondence and the correlations pair as far as the dollar is concerned. Now, how is this significant? This is significant. Why? Because we're looking forward for lower prices in the dollar. Why? Because there is a lot which is happening to the United States, despite of the fact that the news on the employment rates. So a lot has been happening. So we're looking forward for dollar to lose and to weaken towards the towards the mid of August. So that is the trajectory which the dollar is taking. So after that, we're going to see much higher prices as we go on, and that signifies that we are going to see higher prices in the we're going to see lower prices, sorry, in the euro, USD, in the SAU, and those correlated pairs. Now, so that is as far as as the as far as the dollar is concerned. Now, since we have this on a higher time frame, this is what we have. So this week, I could advise, since we don't know where the market makers are looking for, they can decide to go up because of the liquidity that is available on the higher time frame of the SAU-USD chart. And also there is a reason of them, especially there is high probability that they also want to come down. So it is a little bit of confusion where the market is right now. The market can decide to buy aggressively and drop aggressively. So this time towards the midst of August, so it is time to chill and look for other pairs. You can look at the Euro USD, you can look at the USD JPY, you can look at those forex pairs. But as far as as gold is concerned, this week it is just a time you can just relax and let the week just pass by. So hope that is in a hope that has been of much help, and let's see you in another video. Peace.